Do your video colors look dull or plain to your audience? Applying filters in CapCut Mobile is very easy. Open your video project in CapCut Mobile. Look at the bottom menu and tap on Filters. CapCut will open a big library of color styles. You can choose from categories like Life, Retro, or Cinematic. Tap any filter to see how it looks on your video. Look at the slider at the bottom of the screen. Drag the slider to make the filter effect stronger or lighter. Tap the check mark to apply your filter. Here is a pro tip that will save you time. When you add a filter without selecting a clip, it becomes an independent layer. Drag the edges of this filter layer across all your video clips to give your entire project a matching cinematic color look. Now, your video looks vibrant, clean, and colorful. Get CapCut Mobile for free using the link in the description. Subscribe for the next editing tutorial.